Hey, so wanted to cover some of the basics for getting your profile live and set up on the Pots Gardening app. So once you've logged in, you're going to want to head over to your company profile, select either, your logo or a picture of yourself in the garden, and hopefully get a nice cover photo chosen too. It does help if you've got a few of these ready on your camera roll. I know you've previously uploaded them. Remember, this is the first thing customers are going to see, so it's important to make sure it's showing who you are as a company and drawing people's attention. So you can set up an optional trading name. You trade under a different name, and you've got an option to fill out your About Us. As you can see here, we've copied and pasted one in. This might be something you used before, or something you want to write off the cuff for your profile, a little bit about you, the services you offer. It's important when filling out your company location that you start typing and you select one of the drop-down addresses. This helps the app search your latitude and longitude and show you to customers in your area. You can see there you can set your range. So this needs to be a realistic range that you're happy to travel for to see new customers. So it's important you also get yourself registered. There's a couple of steps to getting your profile set up. Here we can see we're now setting our opening hours. Great, so now we've set up our profile picture, about, location and range. We also need to address our booking settings, and you can update these at any point. So are you visible, ready for bookings, disabled, not currently ready, fully booked, things are getting a little bit too busy and you want to slow down the bookings, or currently unavailable. Now you can set your hourly rate. You've got the option to set a site visit price, so as you know, most customers might want you to come and visit beforehand. Companies charge for this service, some don't, but it gives the customer an option to book you in for a visit prior to a booking. Minimum team size, maximum team size, job details. We're going to want to set our booking settings now, so whether we're fully booked, ready to be booked, or currently unavailable. And then the last step is getting your business registered, whether you're self-employed, sole trader, or a limited business. Now this is important, proves you're a real legal entity, allows you to accept funds, and it offers security for our customers. So you're going to go through some of the same things again. You're going to need to set your trading name. You're going to need to put a company website. You can use a Facebook page. Please set your home address, and you're going to need to have a few verification documents handy. So you're going to need an ID document and a proof of address document. And in both cases, you'll be asked for a photo of the front and the back. And just like when updating pictures to your profile and cover photo, it's really helpful if you've got these things at the ready. You have the option to add a bank account, and this is the account you'd like to be paid to. So that's it. Should be a relatively pain-free experience. Our support team's always here if you need help either way. And we hope you can get your profile up live and hopefully become part of the POTS network and start accepting some new bookings. Thank you very much. Cheers.